I kind of screwed up. Anyways, yo, what is up, everyone? Welcome back to another video journaling episode type shit. I just realized that every single time when I go to the front, to like, welcome back to another video, it makes no sense because I should be going here with the mic is, welcome back to another video. Anyways, I had one thought today, and it was in the morning before school, because I had a little bit of time left, okay? Because we're gonna go over my day anyways. So, okay, the thought that I had, let me remember it. It was something like, "What makes a good day?" And I remember I was like, "Oh, maybe it is doing what I want to do, and a bad day would be doing what I have to do." But that's not true, because just because I can do what I want to do on a day doesn't make it a good day. For example, you can do what you want to do on a day, for example, on a weekend, and yet you still waste your time, and so it wasn't a good day. So what is a good day? A good day is probably a day where you're like content with how you spent it. But how do you define it? Is that even definable, like for most people? Is that even definable? That's what I wondered. And honestly, I haven't thought about it, because yeah, my day is pretty busy, and it's gonna be pretty busy. That's quite annoying, but it's okay. Sometimes you just have to make those sounds. But basically, I don't know. I don't want to think about it because it's kind of useless. Why does it matter what's a good day and what's not? So let's go through my day. Woke up at 4 a.m. Ate porridge or oatmeal. What is the difference actually? I don't know the difference between porridge and oatmeal. Please let me know, because I don't know. Next, I made such fancy. Oh, it's so good. Honestly, it's really good. I make oatmeal and walnuts and honey, as well as peanut butter and a banana. Oh my god, that's good. Yeah, and usually, yeah, no. Anyways, right now I like after that, I went back to bed a bit, chilled a bit for like 20 minutes or so because I was hella tired. So after that, I got up to do my habits, and I started, you know, like I basically got to know a bit about the website, that I am starting my trainer's license on. Like I have this meeting today at 7:30, which is why my training is also earlier, because I asked if we could do it earlier. So 7:30 to 9 p.m. is my meeting to get to know the people in this course. And honestly, I don't like this. Maybe it's gonna be good, but as of right now, I looked at the participants of this course. Half of them have like a profile picture of themselves, and they're not my age. They're probably 2 to 3 times my age. I'm 18, by the way. So why would I get to know those people? You know what I'm saying? Like, why? Why? You know, I'd much rather learn, but maybe we're gonna learn something. Who knows? But yeah, I was in school. No, I did my habits, started my habits, did my morning routine, and then I went to school. First class, well, it wasn't really a class. I wrote an exam, right, for like 135 minutes, a bit more than 2 hours, basically. And it was okay. It was okay, I guess. I mean, you don't really know, right? After that, arts exam. The teacher, she's so fake, it's annoying. This time, in the first half of the class, the principal was there. And, well, she acted completely differently than usual. She's so fake. I hate this. But it is what it is. Next half of the class, pretty boring. It is what it is. Then I had geography. I think we got our grades and just yapped, honestly. Oh, one funny thing happened. My friend was using his iPad, right? And on the keyboard, there's like this one, right? Volume up. I held it down and then I pressed this button, which is play media, whether it's song or YouTube video that you were watching. The recent app where you listen to something. So I pressed this. This was on Max, and sure as hell, it started playing. Okay, that was pretty funny, and he's like, "You dumb bastard." But it was funny. And then after that, next class was sports theory. We just watched a documentary. Hella boring. Anyways, next class, physics. Hella boring. Because, the people in this course, they always, the teacher is like saying one sentence and then everyone is like saying, oh, is it like this in this process? And she's like, yeah, it's just like that. And like 5 people do that to every sentence she says, and that's why we basically get nowhere. And yet they still don't get, good grades because she values quality, obviously a bit quantity too, but like mostly quality, you know what I'm saying? Like, for example, the people who ask these questions obviously do it to get up their grade, right? Because they don't really understand physics, which is fine, Like, in comparison, I probably raise my hand like 3 times less than they do per lesson, per class. But when I raise my hand, it's like I answer the question pretty accurately most of the time. And so I get double the points because she values quality a lot more. So that's what's up. And then after that, I bought groceries for my dinner because I have to leave in like 40 minutes for my training. I was also just asked, like, a friend just asked me, yo, we want to play soccer. I'm like, bro, this is literally the worst time, Like, today is the day, or this week is the week where it starts getting busy, So yeah, I'm gonna have training, and then I will come back home. I'll eat first, then I'll have this dumbass conference, which maybe won't be so dumbass, but we'll see. And after that, I will probably either eat again or go to sleep. Depends. Yeah. And then the next day starts. Oh my god. I'm not ready for tomorrow, because tomorrow, first of all, I have 2 boring classes. Then I have to study maths. Me and studying is not good. Like, literally, my studying for today's exam was read a summary of the book I was supposed to read 5 times. That was my preparation. I guess it's better than some. My friend only read it once. But anyways, we were in the exam. We wrote the same exam, and we were supposed to, use the book and, mention a few things from the book. He just wrote random page numbers in hope the teacher doesn't check it. Which is, not a bad idea if she doesn't check it, but if she checks it, then, bro, I guess it's worth a try, you know what I'm saying? True. Yeah, so what makes a good day? What makes a day good? I mean, can it really be generalized? Because, like, a bit more specific generalization, because, oh, a productive day is a good day. That's still too general, in my opinion. It cannot be broken down to a few components, Like, for example, a good day is a day where you, I don't know, did a certain, for example, for example, a good day is a day where you did physical exercise and a few more. Can that be done? But it's not, a good day isn't always just because you did physical exercise. That's why it's kind of was thinking about it. It's completely useless. Why am I thinking about such useless things? And we will see how this turns out. How all of this turns out. I'm so not ready for the maths exam next Thursday. Damn, it's already in 8 days. Damn. I have 7 more days to study, or 6, because today I won't. And probably out of those 6 days, I'll probably study 2 max. I mean, tomorrow, 1 for sure, but I don't know about the weekend. Maybe on Tuesday. Probably not on Wednesday. Probably before the exam, the hour before the exam. Yo, I'm cooked, yo. It's okay. I'll figure it out. It's just an exam, right? As long as I don't stress myself about it, it's alright. Because, like, if you stress yourself too much before an exam, there's a high chance you get a blackout because you're so stressed. The thing is, I sometimes was too stressed at the beginning of an exam. Now I'm too relaxed at the beginning of an exam. Like, literally, during some of my exams, I just sit there for the first. I just sit there for like the first 20 to 30 minutes and just exist. Kind of thing, I'm like, how do I perfectly write this first task that's like only 20% of the exam. It usually happens in English exams. I'm like, okay, how do I write this outline pretty well? And then the outline is like 20 or 30% of the grade, and there's 2 more tests that are worth more. So why the hell am I focusing on that? Type shit. But I usually manage, like usually usually in the beginning I take too much time, but I figure it out. Then I write faster when I'm like, oh damn, there's only like an hour left and I'm not even done with the second out of 3 tasks. I should hurry up. That's what's up. So don't stress yourself out too much. I guess. Maybe it just works for me. I don't know. It's so dumb how people say, like, oh, it's different for everyone. When in reality, it's not different for everyone. Because that would mean everyone has a unique way of doing it. But that's not true. Because I'm sure there's tons of people who use the same method, who have the same conditions, because, I don't know, it's just that way, Some people perform well under pressure and some don't. Some need a lot of pressure, some only need a little pressure, to work good. But it's not like everyone has a different level, it's kind of, I don't know. You get what I mean? I hope you get what I mean. Yo, I need to read stuff. So, I'm leaving in like half an hour, so I should probably read now. So, we'll see you next one of another day video, probably just, okay, bye bye.